Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the shader SSO version and the exact app or engine build. This determines compatibility and which fixes apply. Once confirmed, backup shader configs and any modified assets so you can revert if needed. Then enable developer logging and increase shader verbosity to capture compile and runtime errors. This gives you a clear error trail to follow. Make these first actions now. They prevent wasted effort and provide the data you'll use in the next steps. You now diagnose the failures by reading the high verbosity logs. Look for compile errors, missing includes, or unsupported intrinsics. Once identified, clear shader caches and rebuild to ensure stale binaries aren't masking fixes. Make small, incremental changes and recompile to isolate the exact cause. If macros, precision qualifiers, or binding slots are mismatched, adjust them. These commonly break SSO handoff and pipeline linking. Make sure to test after each change so you can track. You finish by validating shaders on the target hardware and across driver versions. SSO issues can be platform-specific, so confirm stability everywhere relevant. Once stable, re-enable compiler optimizations and compare performance and visual results with your backup to ensure no regressions. If problems persist, capture new logs, revert to the backed up state, and perform a bisect of changes to find the offending commit. One troubleshooting tip. If errors are intermittent, test with a clean driver reinstall and a cleared shader cache before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.